What's up guys, welcome to another video, and today we'll be working on my MK6 GTI and we're going to be installing some new studs. Let's get it. Okay guys, this is what I'm going to use for the installation. I got both torque sticks, I have my 5mm Allen, I have Loctite, I have my gun with a 17 socket, and I have my stud tool which I use to keep the wheel together when I install or remove the lug studs. Now for the parts, I have my 5 bolts or lugs, and then I have 5 studs, as you can see right here. So this side, this is where you install it to the wheel hub, this whole lug stud, and this is where you install the lug itself. And then during installation, you can use the Allen to install inside here to tighten it up. Alright, let's get it. So before we start, just want to let you guys know these are actually lug studs. They're one piece, unlike the 2-piece we're going to install today. Got these from a good friend of mine. They work perfectly well with these wheels, unlike the original one that wouldn't fit. Okay, other than that, let's get it. Like I said guys before, they're one piece, so but it does give you that illusion like it's just 2 separate pieces. They're pretty cool, but I want the real one this time. So we got the stud tool to install it. Go ahead and remove everything else. Go ahead and remove it. Now we can go ahead and remove the stud tool. So now we have the studs. We're gonna go ahead and install one by one. We're gonna add Loctite on this side. This is where it's gonna be connected to the wheel hub, and we're gonna go ahead and put a little Loctite on that and go ahead and turn it in. So after we install the studs, we're going to use the torque stick and the 5mm Allen, and we're going to torque it to 15 Newton meters. Right before you do that, unless you have a friend that could hold the brakes for you, use a screwdriver. You just want to install it into one of the vents so the wheel kind of stay in place so it won't go anywhere. So it's nice and snug, it won't go anywhere. Now you go ahead and torque it. So this part you don't have to do. This is just me being extra, but I'm gonna go through these studs one last time just to give one little nudge, and it should be good. Now it's nice and tight. You can remove your handy dandy screwdriver. Next step you just want to do is reinstall the wheels, turn the studs in, and we move on. Use a gun, go ahead and get it nice and snug. So after you install the lugs, you want to go ahead and either bring the wheel down or have somebody to hold the brakes while you torque it. And when you torque it, you want to torque it to like 88 foot-pounds. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.